The gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, moisturized, sexy, hydrated, and unbothered. Protected by my ancestors, divinely protected. Yes! I'm going back to this camera store that I went to on Saturday and they were closed. So I'm going back there to go and do my window shopping again to see, because I wanted to have a feel of this particular camera. My man is driving. So let's go and check it out. Camera shop is open today, which is good. We're going to go in now because the other day it wasn't open. Oh my days, we came out of the camera store. I am super elated. You have no idea. I did the things. I'm happy so much. Everything went well. We want to wash the car quickly because this car, I had a collision with the car, so my baby is going to take it somewhere tomorrow for them to check. Have finished washing. We want to hoover the car. I'm going to have to come out of this car now. Okay, wait, hold on. So I came out of the car. This driver was driving past a woman. The way she was looking at me like I took her husband, I was like, girl, drive your car. What the hell? She was staring at me. What did I do to you? It was just weird. Maybe she liked what she saw. Look at me. I'm a juicy, moisturized, hydrated, glowy, sophisticated, polished Igbo gay man. What's not to like? I don't blame her. My baby's plugging the car now to charge for tomorrow. This car needs to be at least 80% to be able to drive to the place that he's going tomorrow. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.